In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a high row to target the back of your shoulder, otherwise known as the rear deltoid, with an elastic band or resistance band. So firstly, all you need is your elastic band and also something that's a fixed resistance object, so something that's not going to move, to tie and loop the band around. So I've got my hands on both ends of the band. I'm going to pop one end around the cable machine. And then once I've got them even, notice how I'm going to place one end in the middle of the other to then create a knot. So this now isn't going to go anywhere. Now, so I can show you front onto the camera, my hands are going to be shoulder width apart, feet shoulder width apart as well, and we'll be facing towards the band. And what I'm looking for is to pull the band out and back. So when I'm in my end position, I'm looking for my shoulders and elbows to be pretty much in line with each other. Now, to set up, again, I'm facing towards the cable here, so I've got my hands around the band. I want to make sure I'm bang in the middle of where I've got this, so you don't want to be standing off to the side. And from this position, I'm going to be rowing back and out, creating a triangle, and slowly returning back to the start position. Think about really squeezing the backs of your shoulders together. And when you're doing the exercise, you'll be breathing in on the way towards you, big pause, and slowly back, breathing out. Of course, you'd be repeating that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and you want the band at shoulder height. That's how to do a resistance band high row, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.